touch yesterday as well. See, we did not want to make it a political movement. The chief minister, yes, on the table of the house said that he would call the elected MLAs when the protest came, but he didn't call us, so we didn't go. But I was there in my office. So definitely we have to fight for what is right. That is our duty. And such problems, जे मूळ गोंयकाराचे आहे, saving our environment, we will definitely go to any extent.
सीएम प्रोटेस्ट करू नका, यो 5 जण या आणि आपल्या उलय म्हणतात.
अरे सीएमा बरे 5 जाण पहिले 12 म्हणले, 5 केले आता. हाऊसा 12 जाण म्हणले, 7 जाण कोण केले. थोडं मोठं. What is there for CM to come and discuss there? They are also going cars. They want to decide and they want an assurance that this particular order, that whatever is there, will not be appealed. That is it. ते सांगचे. They have already given their thing. आणि आमको आज किती झाले, काल किती झाले आणि आज किती झाले. काय झालं ना फरक, जमीन चेंज झाली, किती झाले, व्हॉल्केनो झालो, अर्थक्वेक झाले, काय झालं ना. म्हाका दिसता you need to follow that protocol. Let us not do. We are making a joke today. It is a joke. आम्ही अभ्यास करून येता आणि अभ्यास करून येता हे सगळी फोकाणां करता because they have a brute majority. The people of Goa are watching you and the people of Goa will give you a befitting reply. आमका खात्री हा की या नये वर्साक लोक आमचे स्पेशली यंग जेन झी एक नवी सुरुवात करतात.
थँक्यू.